हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू दिस पॉडकास्ट। आज हम कथा गाइज इंग्लिश रे आमे केमती कोन कथा ही परिबा से विषय आज हम डिस्कस करिया गाइज कि आपण केमती निजो फ्रेंड सहित बा का सहित इंग्लिश रे कथा हेबा प्रैक्टिस करि परिबे। सो इन दिस वीडियो गाइज वी विल टॉक हाउ वी कैन टॉक इन इंग्लिश विथ एनीवन एल्स। व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Krishna.
कृष्णा। तो तुम फुल नाम को?
Krishna Kumar Sahu.
कृष्ण कुमार साहू। एंड व्हाट इज योर एज राइट नाउ?
14.
14। व्हाट डू यू डू?
In school.
School. Okay, you go to school. Okay, right.
Yeah.
In what class?
7th.
You are in 7th class. Okay. Do you go to school every day, Bablu?
Uh, I'm not sure actually.
Uh-huh.
ମତେ ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଜାଣିଛି ମୁଁ ଆଜିକାଲି ବହୁତ ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ଯାଇନି।
कौन पे जाओ स्कूल टा?
ବହୁତ ଟିକେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଗୁଡାକ ଚାଲିଛି ତ ସେଥି
ଓହୋ,
ଯୋଗୁ
ତମ
ଯାଇପାରୁନି
ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି
ଆଉ।
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ପାଇଁ ତୁମେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇପାରୁନ। ତ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ତ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି କି ନାଇଁ ମୋ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ପାଇଁ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉନାହିଁ, ତ ଇଂଲିଶ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ହେବ? ମୋ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ପାଇଁ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉନାହିଁ। ତ କୁଡ୍ ୟୁ
Because
ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍
of
ଦିସ୍ ଇନ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ?
ଠିକ ଅଛି। Because of family problems, I am not going to school every day these days.
Okay, because of family problem you are not going to school every day.
Yeah.
So to be honest, କିଏ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ? No one is going to school every day because they go to school 6 days in a week. संडे पे तो छुट्टी रहता है वैसे ही,
yeah.
रविवार छुट्टी था होची ना।
Hmm.
So sometimes guys we also talk in Hindi, so automatic कौन होची ना हिंदी भी पढ़े ऐसे guys, so it is okay। आपन को हिंदी भी जाना दरकार, ओडिया भी जाना दरकार, इंग्लिश भी जाना दरकार guys, it is okay। तो बिकॉज आम इंडिया रे इंग्लिश रे नोडे ओडिया रे नल हिंदी रे मोस्टली कौन हुए ना आम इंडिया रे गाइस हिंदी रे कथा होती और एल्स इंग्लिश रे कथा होती। Also it depend upon the region guys। if you are in staying in Odisha तो आपण ओडिया ही कथा ही पारिबे बा ओडिया कथा ही पारिबे। एंड इफ यू आर स्टेइंग इन अदर स्टेट इन आवर कंट्री गाइस तो आपण सेही कंट्री रो लैंग्वेज रे कथा ही पारिबे गाइस, सो इट इज ओके गाइस। सो एंड व्हाट योर डेली रूटीन, व्हाट यू डू इन द मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग? आपण पढ़ापढ़ी करछ कि नै? सकाळ कोन करछ तमे?
ସକାଳୁ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠିକି ତ ଟିକେ ବସିଥାଉଛି ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯିବା ଥାଉଛି ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉଛି ସବୁ ଗାଧା ଫାଧା କରିକି, ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ସ୍କୁଲ ନଥାଉଛି
हाँ हाँ,
ସେଦିନ ତ ଶୋଇଥାଉଛି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ।
अच्छा अच्छा। तो ये सब कि इंग्लिश रे कोई परिबे आपण जते भी छिबे कहले व्हाट एवर यू जस्ट सेड राइट नाउ, तो कुड यू प्लीज ट्रांसलेट दैट ऑल दोस things that actually said in right now in Odia guy?
Okay.
Okay, okay, speak then. What do you do in the morning?
Whenever it's holidays
Uh-huh.
like Sunday,
Uh-huh.
so I all usually
Mhm.
lying on my bed and watching TV or mobile and then taking a bath and all
Mhm.
daily life routines. But if it's a Saturday or something like that,
Mhm.
whenever it's not holiday
Mhm.
and if I have to go, then I usually go every day
Mhm.
taking bath and all.
Uh-huh. And this is your daily routine, as everyone's do, like they wake up early in the morning, get fresh, and get enrolled in their work. Like you all day long, you're scrolling Instagram, YouTube, and so on. Don't you study?
Um, I really don't study in house because actually, sorry,
Huh.
I don't really read in books, but I scroll through
Mhm.
browsers,
Uh-huh.
Brave, Google,
Uh-huh.
Gemini.
Uh-huh.
I ask them for help and I read through them.
Oh, अच्छा right.
I never went to school these past days, so
Mhm.
I asked
Mhm.
Chat,
Mhm.
GPT,
Uh,
and Gemini,
uh,
all these apps to help me, and they really are very helpful.
uh. So you once in a while or hardly you go to school, but overall you cover your all the subject through internet with the help of internet. That's what you are trying to say, na?
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
इंटरनेट साहाଯ୍ୟରେ तुम पढ़ापढ़ी हो जाए, कवर हो जाए, नहीं कि?
Hmm.
So what about the school moment that you are gonna missing or that you are gonna missing in the future? Like ଆପଣ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ସ୍କୁଲର ମୋମେଣ୍ଟ ମିସ୍ କରିବାକୁ ତୁମକୁ କିଛି ଲାଗୁନାହିଁ କି? You are not feeling anything for that, like you are missing the best moment of your school time, that you are not going to school because of your family problem, don't you think so?
I actually really feel guilty. Actually, I'm not going school every day and
Mm-hmm.
missing my friends, not playing around, not
हाँ हाँ
studying
हाँ
that.
हाँ
Because in home you can ask maybe
हाँ
you can maybe ask Google and all, but
हम्म
with friends it's a lot of fun.
हाँ, that is
Studying
right।
with them, discussing with them, making fun of others and
हाँ
playing with them.
हाँ right।
Also discussing with teachers,
Mm-hmm.
right?
That is a very different thing, or staying at home and going to school is a very different thing, because this is the age you go to school and enjoy with your friend circle. and this moment will never comes in your life because day by day you are growing up. ଦିନ ଦିନ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ତମେ ବଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଛ, okay? Now you're 14 years and it's gonna be soon 15 next 4-5 months, okay?
Six.
So 6 months. So what do you actually want to do in your life? Have you any thought about it? Is there any thought about it you
Yeah,
have?
I have
What actually you want to do?
stocks trading
Okay.
online.
This is a skill that actually want to improve. You can learn it over time, but what actually you want to do in your life, anything you want to become in your life, like this is a kind of skill, like you want to learn and make money for that. But is there any goal or vision apart from this? But ଏହା ଛାଡ଼ିକିନା କିଛି ଅଲଗା କିଛି କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି କି ନାହିଁ? That's what actually I'm trying to ask you.
Oh, I really want to become an ESP player. I mean, esports player.
Sport player. Wow.
Esports
Okay.
in
What?
gaming media.
Right.
actually.
Sport player.
Esports.
Could you please elaborate something about it?
It's actually an gaming tournament.
It is a kind of tournament.
Yeah.
Huh.
But every game has tournaments.
Mhm.
BGMI, Free Fire, and I'm a Free Fire player,
Huh.
and I am trying really hard to
Mhm.
become an esports player,
Mhm.
and I have 2 months of experience.
You
in
just have 2
esports.
months of experience in sport player. I mean, if sport.
Uh-huh.
Okay, right. So you want to play, you want to become an esport player,
I
right?
wanna represent my state and my country, my
Uh-huh.
everything I have actually.
Uh-huh.
That's why I'm grinding every day. I play Free
Mhm.
Fire, okay,
Mhm.
and I grind actually, and that's all.
Uh-huh.
But something I should say, I don't usually spend money,
Mhm.
not even a rupee actually
Okay.
in game.
Okay.
What others do,
Mhm.
I play fairly without using any money and all. I don't,
Mhm.
and it's called top up when you use money in Free Fire, okay.
That is all max and whatever you said, like, yeah. So that is your goal and vision that actually you want to be like that. So what about your health? Do you work on your health? Like you're having a kind of fat. You seem so much more fat in. Like I can see your appearance now. Like you can see like you're having a kind of
Everyone can see, bro.
both
Actually,
motor like. So that's actually I'm asking you that. What about your health? Like, do you want to really work on it?
I'm actually working on it.
How?
In these 2 months, I reduced or
Within these 2 months,
3 kgs of weight.
3 kgs of weight you reduce within this 3 months.
Huh.
What about your diet? What kind of food you actually consume or
I
eat in your daily life?
I don't have any proper diet.
Huh.
Whatever mom prepares at home, I usually eat and all. I don't have any diet.
Okay, you don't have any diet plan, like you have nothing
Yeah.
of that sort. Whatever which is prepared at home, you just consume that, okay, na? So you don't have any diet. So in the future, have you ever thought like that I will reduce my overall weight and gain muscles or anything of that sort you have thought?
Yes, I'm really working out these days actually.
Uh-huh.
And I have a thought that I really wanna get my this kind of body in proper shape.
Propulsive.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I'm working out these days, okay.
Mhm.
I usually go to walk,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
also at evening
Uh-huh.
I work out at home.
Uh-huh. You work out in the evening time as well, and
Hmm.
also in the morning time.
Yeah.
Yeah. At what time you wake up in the morning?
Whenever I have to go school 6 or 7 around.
6 or 7, you just wake up and get fresh and go for morning work,
Hmm.
and return and get fresh and again get ready for to go to school. That is all good, guys. This is the routine of this boy who usually follow every day, guys. He go to school. He go to school every day besides Sunday and enjoy his life that he want, guys. So okay, guys, I would like to ask him next question. That's how you can speak English very well. What is the reason behind it, or what actually you want to do in your life? Sorry, this is wrong question. How did you learn English? Just tell me.
I learned actually from these past lockdown months,
Uh,
lockdown years.
uh,
Everybody was locked in home, and that's all.
uh,
And I watched YouTube videos and learned from it.
mm. How internet helped you to speak English, or how internet, or
Hmm.
through internet, how did you learn English? କେମିତି ଶିଖିଲ ଟିକେ କହିପାରିବ କି କେମିତି କ'ଣ ଇଂଲିଶ ଶିଖିଲ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିକିନା? So I just want to know so that my viewers also learn something from you or from us guys. Because ଆମେ ବି initially stage ରେ ଆପଣ start କରୁଛନ୍ତି guys କି ଆମେ ବି like we are also just started right now, so we are just practicing. So on that basis I'm just asking him glad कि से केमती कौन इंग्लिश कहि पारछि, से कौन केमती कौन सिखला. तो all those things guys ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ, and also I want you to know guys कि how he learned English guys. Okay,
Hmm.
tell me Boblu.
YouTube
Your
videos.
nickname is Boblu na? I'm
Yeah.
right? Yeah, that is a good name I think.
Thank you.
uh,
From YouTube videos, they help me a lot
okay.
in learning English.
Mhm. What
And
kind of videos you usually watch on YouTube, like cartoon, podcasts, or movies with subtitle, or what?
movies with subtitle is, yeah, actually I watched one or three,
Mm.
two I guess, maybe.
Uh, but mostly, what kind of videos you watch in the YouTube?
Learning
Learning
stuff.
stuff, how, which is related to learning only, a kind of information or kind of skill that you actually want to gain.
And some of also one or two podcasts.
Okay, right.
I don't remember them, but I watched them, I guess, 4,
Mm.
5 months ago.
4 or 5 months ago, and it's been a long time that you have to watch those video. I think, na?
That was so boring.
That was so boring. What do you think about podcast? Should you watch or not?
After two videos, I quit.
Oh, you get bored easily. That's why. Okay. So that is a good way. Like you are using the internet to learn English or improve your spoken English. Like guys, we can also use internet to improve our spoken English, guys. Nowadays, most of the student or anyone else who want to speak English, now they are using internet to speak better and better, guys. Because तो इंग्लिश କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଗାଇଜ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ ହେଲ୍ପ ନେବାର ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ଉଡ୍ ବି ଲାଇକ୍ ଗାଇଜ୍. ତ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କରିପାରିବେ, ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ର ହେଲ୍ପ ନେଇପାରିବେ ନିଜ ସ୍ପୋକେନ୍ ଇଂଲିଶକୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. ଲାଇକ୍ ୱାଇଜ୍ ଦିସ୍ ବୟ ଟୁକ୍ ଦ ହେଲ୍ପ ଅଫ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ୍ ଟୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭ ସ୍ପୋକେନ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ ଗାଇଜ୍. So overall I want to say through this video is guys, this is the best way or this is the best age you can improve your spoken English and speak with anyone else like this boy is speaking with me guys. ତ ଆପଣ ବି ନିଜ ସ୍ପୋକେନ୍ ଇଂଲିଶକୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ପଡ଼କାଷ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ, ଏମିତି ଲୋକ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଇପାରିବେ ଆଉ ନିଜ ଇମ୍ପ୍ରୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବେ guys. And if you really like this video then please do subscribe this channel for more videos like this guys. Thank you.